What's going on, guys? We are back into the Supreme Fall Winter 2022, and boy am I excited for this one. You know, every time it's week one, I'm always just so excited and ready for this season. Unfortunately, this year I was not able to do the season recap video that I usually do with my friend Joey because unfortunately I moved away and now we don't live by each other anymore. So we're just jumping right into a Supreme week one live cop. I'm actually not sure if I've ever done a week one live cop. I may have, like, way back in the day, but you know I had to do one for this, and I really wanted to do one for this video because in the past live cops I'm only copying like a few things, but boys, this time I had to print off the paper because there was so much stuff. Wow, there's so many things going on right now. Usually when it's week one, we're all going for a ton of different things. I just have to be a little bit more organized. It would not be a video either if I wasn't super sick. Unfortunately, like 2 days ago, I started getting really sick, so my voice might sound a little bit off, and yeah. Anyways, we're still hoping to cook. There's a lot of great items dropping. For instance, the Andre 3000 tee. Obviously, we all want that. I'm going for that thing first. And I know this is going to be a little bit of a risky cop, but my first cart that I'm going for, I'm hoping to get the Andre tee as well as the Beanie Baby in the same cart. I don't care if they end up sitting the entire drop. I doubt they will. I just really want those two items, so I'm going to try to get them together. I don't really want to single cart the Andre tee, but I mean, if it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. Then we're just going for a bunch of miscellaneous things as well. So we got a bunch of things that we're going for. I believe it was 31 items. I might have already said that. And also, before I jump right into it, I did just move into my new place recently. So I just built this desk a couple days ago. The stickers are still on it. Nothing's put up. I actually don't even have a chair yet. I'm going to get the chair after this. And now that that's out the way, I think we're ready for this live cop. So unfortunately, this season we did not get a free gift, which is very odd. I feel like they've been doing that forever. So I don't know why they didn't give us one this time. But we did get that Supreme, is it emboss or deboss? Golden box logo sticker. So, you know, hopefully we get that. I didn't see the other stickers that they're offering, but you know, I just collect all the stickers, so we're definitely gonna try to get those. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see me do an unboxing when all this stuff comes in. It usually takes a really long time for week one, especially since I get usually a ton of orders, so that takes a long time to get everything in. But if you guys want to see that video, I will make sure to deliver that for you guys. But also, while we're plugging things, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will leave a link in the description down below, as well as a card on the screen now. And if you didn't know already, I do have a brand. The name is Hellheart. I don't think we have too much stuff on the site right now, but you can check that out in the description down below as well. And there will be a card on the screen too, so make sure you check that out. Follow us both. So I already know this is gonna be a crazy long video, and I actually think I forgot, well, I did pop it up on the screen, but I think I forgot to explain a lot of the items that I was going for. Well, I'm gonna try going for. Obviously the Andre tee, the Beanie Baby. I want to get all those Hanes bandana boxers and shirt, all the tees. I think I just said that, but all of the tees, majority of the hats. I need that towel set and I need that toolbox. That toolbox is just so fire to me. Obviously, I think just all the accessories, all the skateboards, basically like everything that's on this drop we're going for. It's 31 items. Obviously, no, I'm not going to get all 31 of these items, but I'm going to try to do my best to get as many as I can. I also feel like it'll make a great video for me, you know, trying to go for a lot of things rather than just a few. And I know I mentioned that at the beginning of the video. I mean, I doubt I have time to like cross them off, but you know, I got a marker too. Anyways, we got about 2 minutes. No, that's actually less than 2 minutes until the drop. I am just like so hyped right now. You have no idea. Hopefully we can cook. We're trying to cook. Like I said earlier, something about week one just gets me hyped. Like I said too, 31 items. I would like to at least get like 15 of the items. I feel like I could definitely do it. I'm definitely gonna go for all of them, but I just feel like some of these items are gonna sell out. I think though, if I wanted to pick a most wanted item from today's drop, not the whole season, but today's drop, it would probably be the Beanie Baby, just because I love all the accessories. So I'm really hoping that we can cook that. My group chat right now is blowing up right now. All right, we have 45 seconds left until the drop. I might get cooked in the comments. Sometimes you guys be cooking me on what items I go for or what I try to cart together, but I am gonna try to get the Andre tee as well as the Beanie Baby. I'm not for sure if I can do it, but yeah, I'm just gonna try. I'm just gonna try. Not sure how this is gonna work out, but we got 20 seconds left. Oh no, my neighbor's like mowing their lawn again like they always do. I feel like they always know when I'm making a video. Okay, 3 seconds left. I think it just loaded in. Oh, here we go. Wow, it loaded like 3 seconds early. No, we're already getting some lag. We're already getting some lag. Come on, come on. Oh man, I can't click on anything. No, come on, let's go, let's go. We can do this, we can do this. No, come on. Should I manually scroll? Should I not click on it? There's the Beanie Baby. Come on. Only $18 on that Beanie Baby. That is crazy. I hope I'm not going to regret this. I feel like I got to scroll. It's not working when I click it. Here's the Andre tee. Come on. Come on. I feel like this is the only color I want. Got it a large. Let's get this double cart. Let's go. They actually have my address from last time. I was kind of just thinking they were going to take that out. All right. I feel like I'm going kind of slow. Come on. We got a lot of things we're going for. Let's go. Oh, whoa. I messed that up. There was a little thing that came up. No, wait. What is it doing? Click the image of the horse? Oh, my God. This is new. I hope it's not going to be like an everyday thing. Dang, there's so many horses. Come on. You got to let me click after that. Oh, I feel like that ended it. There's no way. Come on. I'm kind of like afraid to even get on the other tab because I know it's going to lock that out. Oh, my God. We actually got it, boys. We actually got it. Now I don't really care. I'm going to be getting kind of risky on the other stuff now. That was all I was really going for. Like, insane. I'm going to try to get the accessories right now. If I can even load anything else. So, oh man, I hit back. Rookie mistake. I can't load any of the other tabs. No, I can't load anything. Let's go. Come on. I can't be mad though. I got my 2 most wanted items. I feel like the boxers are going to sit. I'm going to wait a second on the boxers. But we're going to try to get these accessories all together. Alright, we got this. No, we don't. Yeah, there we go. Man, this is going so slow. I know he always does, but like it just every time it's just so annoying. I want this blue one. Come on. I wanted the red in this. Alright, we got it in. Oh, you get both colors. I didn't know that. I thought you got one or the other. That's even cooler. Alright. Yeah, they took away the free shipping, I believe. Am I just gonna be crazy right now and try to get this with the deck? I feel like that might have been a bad idea. That could have been a bad idea. Okay, I think that's all of them. Let's try to get this. I feel like that was not a good idea. I should not have done that. Man, I gotta do this again? Are you kidding me? I don't know if that's a lion or if that's a tiger. No way. This is not cool. Please don't tell me that's gonna be like an every week thing. I think I said every day, but I meant to say every week thing. That sucks. And they did get rid of the free shipping. Oh no, it's right there. It literally says free shipping right there, $2.50. So I did get free shipping on this card if I am able to get this cart. No, and if you re-click on the please wait, it re-brings it up. But okay, bet. We got all those accessories. Alright. Okay, let's go down the line. What else do we need? I got all those accessories. There's literally no way. That is crazy. Come on. I feel like I don't want to click on the side thing, so that's just like messing me up. It's not loading. I think I'm just going to try to go for all these T's real quick. Oh, I don't even know why I clicked on that. I already know it's gone. Come on. Well, what was I thinking right there? I'm trying to go for all these T's. I think this should be an easy one. Alright, never mind. As soon as I say that, it's not loading the size. I'm trying to keep track of what I got over here too. I can't look. There's no way this tee is sold out. There's literally no way. I can't get this shirt. This one was actually pretty fire. I like this one. Yeah, I don't want that one. That was the only one I was going to skip. Dang, I literally like... It's just so slow. I don't think I got that trash tee either, which kind of sucks. This one was pretty cool too. I actually feel like I don't know what that is right there, but I kind of feel like the shirts, like the shirt designs were not that bad this season. I also just realized too, I have not been like looking at the camera. I've just been talking, so I do apologize about that. It's just like a little too intense right now. Was I able to get that trash tee? I don't think I was. Oh, wow, okay. So I did get all the shirts in the cart at least. I didn't check out yet, but I did get all the shirts. And yeah, that is just not working for me clicking on the side. So I'm gonna stick to this. It is going good. Let's try to get all these hats. Alright, so probably just play it safe with this black one. And then this one is just so fire. This one is fire. That's like, I feel like Mac Miller wore that on the Kids album, or am I just tripping? Maybe it was a different color ever. I feel like I'm not talking as much either right now. Sorry guys, I'm tweaking right now. All these colors aren't loading. Red's kind of fire. Let's go for red. This thing was cool too. I think I'm gonna go for this one because I really like this colorway. Oh, sold out. Never mind. I knew it. That colorway is just too good. Looks like we're going for black. Even though, maybe? No, we're going for brown. Oh, brown is sold out. Wow. We're going for black. Alright, so things are starting to sell out, so I gotta pick up the speed a little bit if we're gonna end up getting all these things. This brown's kind of nice. It's actually in stock. So this next beanie, I was hoping to get this for my girlfriend because I feel like it would match her chlorophyll dunks. Please be in stock. Alright, it's in stock. This card has $606 somehow. I feel like that might be an issue. Okay, we got all of these. Let's view this real quick. So we got a 14 clip right now with all these hats and t-shirts. Let's see if these are actually all still going to be in stock. Oh, I forgot the Hanes, but I don't want to go back, but I forgot the Hanes stuff. Let's just see if we can get this 14 clip. Well, that's going. Wait, I gotta do the lion. Yeah, I knew it. Oh man, I just swore I gotta bleep that out. That is definitely not a lion. That is not a lion either. Oh my god, I don't know what lions are. They got lions and tigers on here. I don't even know. I'm clicking horses and it clearly says lion. So I know now not to double click that. Let me try to cross this off. So we got the Andre tee, we got the beanie, baby. We do not have the Hanes. Got that, got that, got that. Oh my god, I didn't get the shoulder bag either. Wait, what does that say? Yeah, I got that. Okay, this cart's not looking so hot. Oh, we were able to get it. So 14 things on this. $670 on this cart right now. This is crazy. We're doing great right now. I wish I had more time to cross out these items that I already got. Okay, well, it's not loading right there. So we got this, got this. Got that hat, got the skateboard. Okay, so we got a few things left. I'm gonna try to see how many I can get or if they're even sold out. So we gotta get this Hanes stuff. I'm literally slacking. I feel like that's probably gone. Okay, Hanes stuff is still here, which I kind of figured, but remember when pink like sold out like instantly? But we're gonna try to get the max quantity here. Did I just get these? No. I don't know. Okay, so that's both of the Hanes. That's probably gonna be a second. I feel like I gotta get to like figure things out real quick. So I wanted this organizer pouch for myself. I was gonna try to get the personal items. I like this. Oh, it's silver, but I kind of like the silver. I feel like I don't really want black. So yeah, we're gonna go for it. We're just gonna add this real quick. Probably should have started at the beginning with the bags. I want that large tote too. That was pretty cool. Man, wow, the waist bag sold out. That is crazy. Looks. I wanted that in black, but I guess I'll settle for silver. I feel like I gotta like pick up the pace right now though. That's definitely gonna sell it. So I forgot the small box. I wanted it in this. There's no way it's still here. Wow. Okay, so we got that. What else do I need? The large haul. Wow, the last thing was that large haul bag. And I was unsure if I wanted to get. Is it this right here? How much is this bad boy? Oh, now it's gonna do this. $148. Do I really want this? I mean, I kind of do. Yeah, we're just gonna add it. We're just gonna add it. This is also a $600 cart. Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh, I should not hit back. I know better than that. Last time that messed me up. Then I just needed a bunch of socks, as I usually always get. Dang, did they raise the price on these? I feel like they raised the price on these. $824 cart. Let's see if everything is still in stock. And boys, if I cook this right here, that means I got all 31 items that I needed. This will literally be everything if I got it. Granted, some of them were in different colors. Oh my god, I need the horses now. Oh, come on. Come on. I know what horses are this time. I know what they are, but I clicked a cap. Usually I know what horses are. If I get this is literally all 31 items. This is all 31 items. No, I previously ordered something. What did I even order? I feel like I didn't order any of these. What did I do wrong? You previously ordered this item. No. What did I even get? Was it the socks maybe? Because I ordered the socks at the end of their season. I didn't even add. I know for a fact I didn't add any of this in. What was this last? There's the Beanie Baby. No, that email didn't get it. The only thing I can think is maybe it's the socks because I got the socks last season. Maybe there's some sort of bug going on right now. Come on, show me the horses. Let me figure out. Oh, they're lions this time. Great. Great, because I can't tell the difference between a lion or a tiger. I feel like it's got to be the socks. I know. No, what did I previously get? I didn't get any of these items. Am I tripping? Did I? Oh, great. What could it possibly have been? Oh man, I thought it was an email. Like, this is all new stuff. I'm so confused. I wish it would tell you which you previously ordered this item or items. There's a limit per product. What though? I didn't even get an email for it. What was it? Okay, it's got another shop notification. Let's see if this is, I mean, not shop, I'm tripping. It's a pre-notification. Okay, so it is right here. I actually did get it. It was $824. It was with that. I don't know why I showed like this. That's kind of weird. But since I got 4 orders, why do I feel like I had more than 4 orders? But boys, that's 31 items. We cooked all 31 items. I'm speechless right now. We literally cooked everything. I got the shoulder bag. Granted, I wanted that in a different color. Hopefully, I'm still in the frame right now. We got the bat. We got that. We got the Hanes socks. We got the waist bag. Small box. We got it. We literally got everything. We got all 31 items. This is like, boys, I am tripping right now. I wish I wasn't so sick or not, because I'd probably be jumping up on this table going crazy. So we're gonna try to get like I need to empty out this cart though. We're gonna try to wow, that shoulder bag sold out. I really hope I did get it and that ghost cart wasn't a lie. But we're gonna do this out and try to re-up on some tees real quick. I mean, they gotta be in stock. They gotta be. I'm gonna try to get like free shipping's worth of tees. Yeah, Andre tee's gone, which I figured. So let's try to get some more tees. So I think I just got that in black. So I'm gonna try to get this in white. I think I got like all of them in black. I wasn't sure. Hopefully the camera's even still on, or I'm talking to myself right now. This one was definitely black too, I believe, that I clicked on. So we need $250 worth. I know that cart total right now is not the right total. I feel like I don't want to get like all black again. That would just be stupid. I feel like. I think I got that in small last time, so I'm gonna try to get a different size. This one I wasn't like too hyped on, so do I even want to get another one? Maybe let's just get black to play it safe. I wish I knew what size I got. This color, oh wow, this colorway is still in stock. That's crazy to me. I feel like I got that color. Did I get that color? I don't know. I'm literally just clicking buttons right now. None of that's working. This baby blue though is like so sick to me. I feel like I definitely did not get this, so I'm going to get this one. And the Andre T. So let me see where my cart's at, because I know, yeah, see, this needs to get out of here. This needs to go. I already got that. And then I need these tees. Okay, so they got $280 with the tees. Let me just double check the hats. I feel like I should be fine to go back and look. That's 7 tees. And I highly doubt that. Wow, still in stock in the brown colorway too? No way. Wow, that is crazy. Wow, even that S logo is so fire too. And then I feel like I've spent like 3 racks right now, so I might call it good with this. All right. Whoa, no, I don't want this. Go away. Come on. And then if I cook this, I'm just calling it a day. If I cook this, I'm just calling it a day. I feel like I was silent for a very long period of time. Sorry, I had to fix all this to try to maneuver this. I feel like I entered in the card information incorrectly. I never used this card. Oh no, we should be good. We should be good. Let's see. Boys, we did it. What is that? Like another 7 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, clearly I can't count. Wow, 41 items acquired. I'm just gonna call it a day right here. I do not need any more items. I feel like I spent, this has gotta be like 2 grand. This gotta be like 2 grand, I feel like. Maybe even more. No, I feel like more. One card was almost 1,000. We literally got all 31 items plus an additional 10 items, a 31 item cook. If I can add up the total, I will put it on screen. I'm so hyped right now. This video is so long. I feel like I gotta end this right now. Wow, this video is gonna be so long. Yeah, this screen recording was like 20 minutes long. I'm gonna end that right now. I will not have it on the screen, but I am gonna briefly go over the items that are out of stock. But you're just gonna have to believe me on this because my screen recording is getting too crazy right now. I didn't go over any of the heavier items, so I'm not even gonna check those because I feel like that'd be pointless. So obviously the small boxes are gonna be in stock. I kind of wanted this S logo, I didn't go for it. I don't even think I mentioned going for it, but clearly we passed on that. This, I don't know why I keep saying this, like you guys can see it, but that light slate small box crew neck, that colorway, super clean, but I didn't go for that. And I didn't go for those pants too, which were things that like I kind of wanted, but also didn't really want to go for because I didn't want to spend all that money on it. Because I know what you're thinking though, you just spend all the money on this stuff, but you got to keep in mind that stuff is not for me. All the accessories are for me, but the rest of those items are not for me. I wanted to click on these pants to see if they were in stock, but they're not, and they're not even loading. I can't load anything now. That's odd. Good thing we're not going for anything right now. These washed jeans, I wanted these so bad, but I don't know. I don't know my sizing on these, and then if they don't fit, I'm just gonna be devastated for paying that much money. So yeah, let's go look at the things that we actually did buy. So obviously the Andre T sold out in every single colorway. The Catwoman T actually is sold out in a couple of colors, but like red and, well, that's like maroon or whatever. Those colors are still there. Then all that trash tees here. Basically all the tees are here. Maybe like 4 or 5 colorways are sold out, but like 90% of these tees are all here. But that's to be expected now. Those days are long over with those selling out. A majority of the hats are gone, but it looks like that script one that I said might have been worn by Mac Miller, that's still there, which that one was sick. I don't know how. Somehow too, the fitted hats are still in stock. Those are just so fire. That S logo literally has devil horns. That's so sick. All the accessories except the toolbox. That's crazy. The toolbox is like 40 bucks. That's still in stock. And then the bandana stuff actually survived this season, unlike the pink, because the pink sold out and was gone. All the skateboards are in stock. So that is gonna do it for my video. I feel like this video was very long, but if you made it to the end of the video, I do appreciate you guys. Hopefully the camera's still on. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you guys picked up from today's video. If you wanna see me do more live cop videos, I definitely wanna bring them to you guys. And like I said, this is like the new season of my channel. I'm hoping to start uploading a lot more frequently. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you can be alerted anytime I upload a new video. So with that being said, I know I just said it, but I am gonna say it again. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys did pick up, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. It will be in the description down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I also just said, but I will say it one more time because I need you guys' help. Make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment down below, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out. What a cookout. 41 items. Let's go.